In this quick guide video, let's talk about how to use Google AI Studio for Chatbot. Hi everyone, I'll quickly show you how to use Google AI Studios to create and test your own chatbot. First things first, head over to aistudio.google.com, and once you're inside of this interface, make sure you select the correct model that you want. So on the top right hand side of the screen, there are different models that you can choose from. Select the model that you want, and then what you can also do is set the temperature. It says right here, once you hover over it, creativity allowed in the response. So the higher the temperature, the creative it gets. So in order for you to create a chatbot, make sure you set your creativity. Also, you can set up the thinking mode as well and set up the thinking budget. Once all of that is set, you can now type in your prompt. I've asked it for a travel assistant as a chatbot. So once you type in your own prompt similar to this and the type of chatbot that you want, you can hit run. As soon as I hit enter, you can see it has started to ask questions and the type of experiences that I want. Depending upon the model that you selected, you may or may not get this response. You can also ask in follow-up questions or add in a reprompt for better conversation. Once you're happy with the chatbot behavior, you can click on the get code option on the top right of the screen, and then you'll get the entire code for this chatbot. You can head over to your code editor and just paste it in. And that's basically it on the way that you use Google AI Studio for chatbot. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.